to know exactly how your website's performing? Google Analytics is the key, and today I'm going to show you how to set it up on your WordPress site in just a few steps using the SiteKit plugin. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapid Cloud, where we provide the high-performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. Today, I'm going to walk you through setting up Google Analytics on your WordPress site using the super handy SiteKit plugin. Let's dive right in. First things first, if you don't have a Google Analytics account yet, you'll need to create one. Sign up on the Google Analytics website by clicking the Get Started Today button. Create an account name and review some data sharing options to opt in or out of. The next step will ask you to create a property, which can be your website's name. On the Property Setup screen, enter a name for your property, choose the time zone you want the reporting of your website to be in, and choose the currency of the location you normally operate in. On the next screen, fill in the requested details about your business or industry and click the Next button. The next screen will ask you about your goals for using Google Analytics. Select all that apply and then click the Create button. You'll have to accept the terms to use Google Analytics, and then you will be presented with a screen asking you to choose a platform. Choose Web and keep https:// selected. Type your domain without the www and choose a stream name, which usually can be just your site's title. If you have multiple websites or apps under the same property, make your stream names different enough to not be confusing. Enhanced measurement is enabled by default, so toggle that off if you prefer not to have it enabled. It allows Google Analytics 4 to report on additional user interactions or events in addition to the actions tracked by default. This includes tracking scrolling behavior, file downloads, video engagement, insight searches, outbound clicks, form interactions, and more detailed page view information. Now, click Create Stream. After creating your data stream, you'll see the Web Stream Details page. The next step is to grab the unique measurement ID provided by Google Analytics to integrate it to your website and start collecting data. Your measurement ID, or Google tag, is a code that identifies your website or other data source. Copy your measurement ID to your clipboard. Now let's add it to your WordPress site. From the Web Stream Details page, click View Tag Instructions to open the Installation Instructions menu. On this page, you'll be given two options to choose from: Install with the Website Builder or CMS, or Install manually. Click Install with the Website Builder or CMS, then click Select your platform. A drop-down menu will open. Select SiteKit plugin. SiteKit is the official WordPress Google Analytics plugin from Google. You'll be able to see your traffic analytics data directly in your WordPress dashboard. Next, log into your WordPress site and navigate to Plugins and then Add New Plugin. Search for SiteKit, then install and activate it on your site. The plugin will now appear in your main menu. Click on it to go to the Setup page. Check the box next to Connect Google Analytics as part of your setup and sign in using the same Google credentials you used to create your Google Analytics account. Next, choose what data SiteKit can access and click Continue. You'll need to verify site ownership by clicking Verify. Next, turn on metrics in your dashboard by clicking Allow, and add Search Console by clicking Setup. Click Next to add Google Analytics. Now select the Google Analytics property you created earlier from the drop-down menu. Then click Configure Analytics. Your plugin should now be configured. Don't worry if you don't see your stats straight away, as it takes up to 72 hours before your SiteKit data populates. Once your data is in, you'll be able to view your site's performance directly in your WordPress dashboard. Just go to SiteKit, and under the Dashboard tab, you'll see an overview of your traffic, user behavior, and more. Now that you're ready to track your site's performance in real time, it's important to remember that the speed and reliability of your website play a huge role in how users interact with your content. Rapid Cloud's high-performance WordPress hosting ensures that your site is fast, secure, and always up and running, which means you get the most accurate and useful data from Google Analytics. When your website loads quickly and smoothly, users stick around longer, and that's something you'll definitely see reflected in your analytics. Click the link in the description to try Rapid for yourself. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've got Google Analytics set up on your WordPress site using the SiteKit plugin. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing!